Today we are going to solve the question which is asked in SBI Clerk 2023. Average weight of four friends JKLM is A kg. When M is replaced by N, the average increases by 14.25 kg, and when L is replaced by N, average increases by 6.75 kg. If the average weight of LMN is 74, then the weight of N is how much percent more than L? Means we need to find the weight of N is how much percent more than L, and information they have given. Using this, we need to find last one. So initially they have given average weight of four friends JKLM is A kg. So average means total number of friends divided by 4. If 4 persons are there, divided by 4. If 5 persons are there, divided by 5. So we can write J plus K plus L plus M divided by 4 equal to A kg. So average is how many persons are there divided by 4. So their average is A kg. So they have mentioned it is A kg. So we can write here J plus K plus L plus M is here divided by it. So here it is 4A. So from first info we have found this. In the second they have given when M is replaced by N. Whenever M is replaced by N means it is M is there. When it is replaced by N, then the average increases by 14.25 kg. So whenever M is replaced by N means J plus K plus L plus N. So whenever M is replaced by N, then the average increases by 14.25 kg. So average will increase by 14.25 kg. So initially average is a, whenever M is replaced by N, the average will increase by 14.25 kg. So initially average was a, we solved this one, just we multiplied. Initially average was a, when M is replaced by N, average will increase by 14.25 kg. So again we will solve this. J plus K plus L plus N, here divide, so here multiply, go to A plus 14.25. So here we can do this. Okay, 4 into A is 4A, and 14.2.24 4 is 57. So 14 into 4 is 56.25 into 4 is 1. So usually it will 57. So we can call this as equation 2. So M is replaced by N, average increased by 14.2, and when average is increased by 14.25, so we solve this. One more info they have given. When L is replaced by N, average increases by 6.75. And one more they have given, L is replaced by N. Replaced by N. Then average increases by 6.75. So J, K, L, L is replaced by N. So it is N plus M. So L is replaced by N. In the first we can see L is replaced by N, M as it is. In that case, average is increased by, average is A here. It is increased by 6.75. So here we can write JKNM. 4 into A is 4A, and 4 into 6.75 is 27. So we have solved these. So we have got total 3 equation, 1, 2 and 3. So up to here we have solved all the info. And next they have given average weight of LMN is 74. And here after that we need to find weight of N is how much percent more than L. So from initially from these three equation we will solve some conclusions. So initially we can solve this. So we can we can write equation as, it will be easy for us. Equation 1 is j plus k plus l plus m equal to 4a, and equation 2 is jk ln equal to 4a plus 57. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, and equation 3 is this one, j plus k plus n plus m is 4a plus 27. So equation 2 is equation 1 is jklm is 4a, equation 2 is jkln is 4a plus 57, equation 3 is jknm is this one. So these are equation 1, 2, 3. And one more equation we can get here, average of lmn is 74. So average means here only three quantities there. Average of lmn is 74. Average means a 3, so divided by 3 equal to 74. So l m n 74 into 3 will be it is 222. So 7 into 3 is 21, so it is 220. So totally we have four equations. So we will solve this. So once we solve this, we will get the value of l, m and n. So we will get this value, and after that we need to find n is how much percent more than l. So lastly we need the two values n and l, so we need to compare it. So now we can solve this one. So initially we will do 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 2 minus 1. 2 is j plus k plus l plus n minus here j plus k plus l plus m. Here it is 2 is means RHS with RHS, LHS with LHS. 4a plus 57 minus 4a. So here j and j will cancel, k and k will cancel, l and l will cancel, and we will get n here minus, here it is plus, so n minus m. Here 4a cancel, 57. So this we have got n minus m equal to 57. We can denote it as equation 5. So we have found this by, we have found the relation between n and m as 57. So 2 minus 1 we did. Now we will do 3 minus 1. There are many ways. This is the easiest way, so I am doing this. So now we will do 3 minus 1. So 3 is jk nm jknm minus 1 is jklm. So here 4a plus 27, here minus 4a. So here we can do j and j will cancel, k and k will cancel. So here plus, so here minus, m will cancel. So n minus l, and here 4a cancel, so it is 27. So we can call this as equation 6. So n minus m is 57, n minus l is 27. So from equation 5 we can write a value of n as, here minus, so here plus, m plus 57, and here n as l plus 27. So here we have write n as m plus 57, and here n as l, here it is minus, so here plus l plus 27. So we can equate these two because it is n. So once we equate this n, we will get the one more relation. So we can call this as equation 7, equation 8. So we will equate this, since we have found for n. So we will equate these two quantities will be equal. So n equal to m plus 57. N equal to m plus 57. and n equal to l plus 27, and n equal to l plus 27. So we will equate this. So both are values of m. So m plus 57, l plus 27. Okay. So now we can find. So l as it is, we can move this 27 to this side. M plus 57. Here plus, so here minus. So value of l will be m plus 30. So this one more equation we have got by combining value. So l equal to m plus 30. So we can call this as equation. Here 8, here 9. Okay, up to here we have solved. And from equation l plus m plus n, they have given 222. So we will use this equation to find the value of n, l and m. So l, by using equation for l plus m plus n is 222. L plus m plus n is 222. So to solve this, we need to convert all this value into 1. Either we solve here for m, so we will convert all this value in terms of m. So if we get m, we will find the other values. So value of l we can substitute. L is m plus 30. So l is m plus 30, m as it is. So n, value of n also we have found. Value of n is m plus 57. Value of n is, here value of n is m plus 57. 222. So we have converted all in one value. So value of l is m plus 30, m as it is, and value of n we can substitute m plus 57, because we need to convert all this in one value, so we can find the value. We can't substitute l plus because l we have not converted. So all values we have converted in terms of m. So we can solve this one. M plus m is 3m, plus 30 plus 57 is 87, equal to 222. So 3m equal to 222 minus 87. So 222 minus 87 is it is 135. So 3m equal to 135. So m equal to 135 divided by 3. So it will come out to be 45. So value of m we have found. So with the value of m, we can find the value of l and n also. So we have found the m as 45. So by using m, we can find the n also. So n is m plus 57. So n we can find m plus 57. So m is 45 plus 57. So it will come out to be 102. So value of n is 102 and m is 45. Now we can find l also. L is m plus 30. So m is 45, 30. So l is 75. So we have found the value of m, n and l also. If you have these values, you can find the other values also, but all values we don't require. So we can all values are not required here. So in the question they have asked is no 74. Then the weight of n is how much percent more than that of l, means weight of n is how much percent more than l. So n is 102, l is 75. So n is how much more than l. So percentage we need to find here, means n is how much greater than l. So we can find by taking difference between these two divided by with which respect to we are finding with respect to l. So in question they have given n is how much percent more than l. Percentage n is how much how much percent more than L. So N is how much percent more than L. So we can find this in percentage. We have to find in percentage means we need to multiply by 100. That's it. So we can find this by N minus L divided by L into 100. 100 is for percentage, means value of N is how much more than L. So N is 102, L is 75, divided by 75 into 100, means we need to take the difference, and with respect to which we are finding, we need to write it in a denominator. Difference divided by with respect to which. So 102 divided by 75 is 27. Here 75 into 100. So by 25 we can do is 25 3 is a 75, 25 4 is a, so 3 1 is a 3, 3 9 is a 27. So 9 into 4 is 36. So our answer is 36%. Yeah, this is the way to solve the guys. So our option is B, 36%. Yeah, thank you guys.